Again, Abigail at 18, Part 2. Gail, happy birthday. God bless you. We love you. Wag lang matigas ang ulo. Tito Ping. Abigail, now it is time to be real lady. Wish you all the best of luck and happiness. May God bless you always. Happy 18th birthday, always, Nida and Jay. Abigail is now 18. Now it's right time to remember all goddess from sins you can picture. Now it's time to again make new plans for profession on the go. Wishing you all the best of health and happiness. Wishing your wishes come true. All from us, Nida and Jay. Abby, happy birthday. Nung unang kitang makita, nakita ko agad sa'yo, mabait ka. Thanks kasi nakilala kita. Sana patuloy kayong magbago and always smiling and studying hard. Saka na ang boyfriend pag nakapagtapos na ng pag-aaral mo. And don't change your good attitude for me and for Denzel and to your friends also. Thanks again and wish you the best of you. We love you. Stay healthy and always take care of yourself. Only your Ate Marie. Ate Abigail, muchas felicidades. Un abrazo muy fuerte. Alde, Alicia. Gail, wishing you all the happiness, more success in your life. Maligayang karawan, Talot. Ate Abigail, happy birthday and many more birthdays to come. Love you, miss you, moi, from AC. Ate Abigail, te quiero mucho. No lo hago de broma. Ate, no se falta que me regalas tu vestido. Solo quiero los guantes. Por favor, Ate Abigail. Firmado de Eliza, con mucho amor. Ate Abigail, te quiero mucho con amor. Feliz cumpleaños. De Eliza. To Abigail, ang panalangin ko sa puong may kapal ay makatapos ka ng pag-aaral at makatupad mong lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay at naway makatanggap ka ng mga biyaya at marami pang birthday na darating sa buhay mo. God bless you, Mami Sel. Sana baguhin mo na ang ugali mo. Sana maging mabait ka sa nanay at sa mga iyong kapatid. Huwag kang pasaway, Tito Ilo. Hola, Abigail, sana huwag kang magbabago at magbabait ka lalo na sa nanay mo, Tita Sol. Mi amor, feliz cumpleaños. Indeed, you are so very so lucky. Girl, I'm so happy for you. Wishing you all the best. Love you, Mami Cha. Babe, felicidades. Wish ko para sa'yo, sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo, lalo na para sa pamilya mo. Alam ko marami ka wish, pero antayin mo lang yon kasi darating din yun sa tamang panahon at sa pagkakataon. Sa pag-aaral naman, konting tiyaga, pasensya at higit sa lahat, gawin mo kung ano yung tama at alam mo makakabuti para sa'yo. Nasa tamang edad ka na para magdesisyon at kung mahirapan ka man solusyonan, nandito lang kami ng pamilya mo. Handang sumuporta para sa'yo. Mahal na mahal ka namin, bae. Muli, happy birthday. Abby, happy birthday. My sweet friend, kahit bihira tayo magkita, forget na kita. Never yata, no? Cause you and your family is my family here in Madrid. Always remember, I'm here for you. Love you, moi, Ate Minnie. Abby, wish you all the best. Good health. Hola, Abby. Again. Happy 18th birthday. Wish you all the best. I'm thankful for being part of your life. Stay happy, Ate Milay. Hi, my neneng. Happy 18th birthday to you. Wish you all the best. Always bear in your mind that we love you so much and never failed as you are. You're the best Sabrina I ever had. Thanks for being there for Clint. Hope you enjoy your birthday party. God bless you. Always love, Tita Mai. Happy birthday, little sister Gail. We love you. Love, Iris, Vic, and Sue. Dear Gail, please always use condom for protection. Love, Ate Tess. ano ngayon kung birthday mo? Carnap King. Kahit kailan animal ka, Carnap King. Pogiding. Ang sabi yung dalawa, nag-away pa kayo dito. Bunso, baby pink, stay pretty and feel young every day. Be a good girl and always follow your heart's desire with clear intentions. And be God-fearing all the time. Respect your elders, and your parents especially. Stay loving and focus your studies. Don't hesitate to ask help from God. Ate Susan, un beso. Gail, feliz cumpleaños. Besitos, Julilit. Abby, happy birthday. Naku, 18 ka na. Legal na. Naunahan mo na ako. Kaloka ka. I love you, girl. More birthday to come. Besos. Who's this? Unknown na naman. Happy. Abby, I love you. Bye. Unknown? Sino ka? Gail, feliz cumple. Que te cumples mas besitos, Ate Jenny and family. Jo, Abby, paano ko ba uumpisahan? Alam ko ngayon lang tayo nagkakilala pero naging matalik na kaibigan na kita. Sharing secrets, alam mo yan. Dapat mas matagal pa ang ating pinagsamahan. Huwag kang magbabago, stay as you are. Ukinam! 18 na tayo, party-party na to, Jo. Dapat, Jo, sabay-sabay tayo ka-graduate, walang babagsak, para classmate pa rin tayo sa informatika. More blessing to come, Jo. Love you so much. Muama, chup-chup, higop-higop, muama. Happy birthday! Bye, Adi! Litchi! Feliz cumpleaños! Happy birthday! Alfin, tienes 18 años. Y es bien los exámenes. Buena suerte! Hello, Abigail. Congrats! More birthday to come. Happy Dipu. Te quiero, Tita Susan. To Abigail, happy birthday. Love, Tita Arlene. Happy birthday, Abby. Alam ko naman na mas matanda ka sa akin. Sorry sa lahat ng mga katangahan ko. Salamat kasi kahit ganito, ako pinagtsatsagaan mo pa rin. Kahit yung away namin ni, pero salamat pa rin. At huwag kang magbabago, daldalera. We love you. Te deseo lo mejor. Y cumplas tus deseos. Tampururut girl. Abi, be, Jo, abitot. Alam mo naman, Jo, na love kita. Ikaw lang ang babaeng pinagkakatiwalaan ko ng buong puso. Ngayon, ganat ang dalaga ka na, pwede na mag-asawa, joke. Syempre, aral mo na. Wag na muna yung love na yan. Tandaan mo, gagraduate tayo ng bonggang-bongga. Alam ko na masaya ang papa mo na makita kang maayos at pinamdaking may takot sa Diyos. Daldal mo, nyahaha. Dapat, huwag kang magbabago kasi minahal ka namin ng ganyan. Alam mo na, stay daldalera, ble. Dami na natin pinagsasamahan at pinagdaanan. Ikaw lagi ang nagpapatapang sa akin. Ngayon, ikaw naman ang papatapangin ko, Diyos. Basta dito lang ako kung kailangan mo. Love you so much, Okinam. Ha. Happy 18th birthday. More birthdays to come. I hope all your dreams and wishes come true. God bless, Abby. Bye, Rain. Yan. Tapos na po. Thank you po sa lahat. Boring kasi ako kaya ako nabasa lahat yan. Actually, paulit-ulit. Thank you guys. Love you. Mama chup chup.